Thank you so much, Professor Doherty. It's an enriching, rejuvenating, inspiring, motivating lecture. I really enjoyed each word of yours, both from protein-protein interaction, how important it is, right from the basic of immunity. Again, the challenges associated with celebrity science, and also how important it is to understand the target audience before any communication. Truly, we took lots of learning from your lecture. It's not only a lecture for us. The people like us, whenever we listen to a Nobel laureate, we know how valuable it is for us. Each of your sentence, we would try to take it and again to ponder upon it and to contemplate and again to try to get their sense and to understand more by going deep into it. Thanks so much only for being with us. Thank you. While that exciting remote control unveiling was happening by Professor Doherty and Dr. Chowdhury, I was only remembering how this SRL Global Knowledge Forum came into existence and what is the purpose behind it and what is the path forward. At the same time, I was remembering 2007, April perhaps, we got an announcement, we all are SRL members, from our CEO, Dr. Sanjeev Chowdhury, which dealt with the core values of the organization. I remember when I went through that for the first time, the first core value dealt with knowledge intensity. Knowledge is never a very new word for us. We all hear about knowledge from the beginning when we are a child. But truly speaking, on that day when I read knowledge intensity, I really experienced it. Mainly perhaps because of the intensity, the word which was blended with the knowledge, which is so powerful. And mainly that was the true vision or true beginning of this SRL Global Knowledge Forum. I'm here just to take you through about what we have thought of truly in a focused manner about SRL Knowledge Global Forum. From Indian scriptural point of view, Veda means knowledge. Being in this country, we have the privilege to understand and to correlate the scriptural things with the science. And while we go through Rig Veda, it says that knowledge destroys the darkness of ignorance. Again, while listening to Dr. Doherty, it was not always knowledge means the intellectual deliberations. Knowledge exists in each and every field. Even if we do cook in a kitchen, it needs some knowledge. Whatever we do, it needs knowledge. It all depends on us to understand that how knowledge is important. Knowledge doesn't mean that it has to be always in a very intellectual and scientific deliberations. Saying so, if we again do research scripturally and see how knowledge is useful to us, it again depends on us. It needs study. It needs study, it needs practice, it needs assimilation and then implementation. These 4 steps are very important whenever we speak about any knowledge, anywhere, any field. It is not only in the field of clinical diagnostics. That's why I always remember these 4 steps: study, practice, assimilate and implement. That is the true implication of the essence of knowledge. Again, thanks to Professor Doherty for telling about the internet and the information explosion that is happening all around nowadays. I know how much problem I face. I have 2 teenage children, 23 years and 17 years. If I give any work to them to do, they just do it very quickly and give it to me. Hey, it's cool. It's done. And when I go through that, I don't understand whether it has any meaning, but they have so much of information. And truly I face enough problem and I struggle whether information is everything Whether just go to internet and download the PowerPoint presentation, go to internet and having so much of information is everything. It really needs to understand who is your target audience and how to crystallize that knowledge in form of a proper capsule and then to share the knowledge with the respectable or the suitable target group. Definitely for that, what is required is the knowledge creation. And once we create the knowledge, is it the end of the story? We again need true knowledge dissemination. If we don't disseminate, only create, then again knowledge is not properly utilized, and thus utilization is again very important. If we go through this knowledge creation and knowledge dissemination, again a very important teaching is very important is giving and receiving. It is very important to give. As much as we give, then only we'll receive. And knowledge is actually meant on this principle and this philosophy. You create knowledge and you disseminate knowledge. Then only this whole process goes on. Why I am sharing this, not that I want to talk about knowledge. We need to know that why this global forum is. It is not only just to create and to do a marketing kind of thing that SRL has a global knowledge forum. It has a foundation. It has a principle